Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will be discussing the question decode strings. In this question we are given an encoding string and we need to return its decoded string. The encoding rule is k times of encoded string, where the encoded string in the square bracket is being repeated exactly k times. Now the k is guaranteed to be a positive integer. In the given example, we can see that how the strings get decoded. Let's see how this is done by taking an example. So if the encoded string is given to C, in that case the number becomes 2 and the string becomes C, so the string becomes CC. Now if there is one more character in front of this string, then the number is 1 and the string is ACC and it becomes this, because there is no repetition in this string. Now if this whole string is inside a bracket and the number is 3, in that case the number is 3 and the string is ACC. In that case we need to return the concatenation of the string 3 times. So it was the second example that we took and the output is similar to this. In this question, as the result from the substring is being used and the main string, we need to use stack so that we can insert the result of this string again and then apply our logic again. So if you see that this string follows the same logic what the main string follows, so the logic will remain the same for any of the one encoded string. So let's start coding it and we'll discuss that line by line. We'll start off with creating two stacks. This is a num stack and a stack to hold the strings, which will be string builder. Now we need to have a string builder which will hold the temporary string and a num variable which will hold the number. Now for every value in the string we need to perform some action, so we will do this. So there can be only 4 types of characters into this string. So the 4 types of characters are digit, alphabets, open bracket and close bracket. So we'll have a if else condition. So if the character is a digit, so we'll have either this, or you can always use character is digit inbuilt method. Else if the character is a open bracket or it is a close bracket in the rest, and it is a alphabet. So when it is a alphabet, we just need not to do anything. We'll just append this character into our current string. If it is a number, we'll add that value into the current number. The number can be greater than 9 also, so we are doing this. Now suppose we have calculated 3a and now we need to find 2bc. So in that case we have the number with us and we encounter our open bracket. When we encounter our open bracket, we need to add the previous string that we have in the str, that is AAA, into the stack, because there might be a scenario where this is enclosed in one more encoded string. So we need to add the previous string into the string stack and make this string point to me. And also we need to add this 2 or the number that we have into the num stack and then make the num initialize to 0 as well. Now when we encounter B and C, they will be in this else part and BC string will be calculated, and we then encounter a closed bracket. When we encounter a closed bracket, what we need to do is we need to have this BC string, the current string, repeated 2 times and then append it to the previous string. So the previous string is stored in the stack. So what we do is we first take the value of the current string, that is BC, into a temp variable, and then in the current string we pop the previous value. We need to have this number as well, which was in stack. So the 2 is in stack. So what we do is we pop that also. So we have this values with us. Now what we need to do is we need to append the temporary string into the previous string. So now the str will be appended with the temp string count times. Once all this is done, the str will contain the final result and we just need to return it. This completes our code. Let's run this. So we're getting proper response. Let's test this for the second example and third one. And just to be sure, let's run this for the fourth as well. So the codes look good. Let's submit this. So it got submitted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.